this is George here, EI 7 Kilo Ontario. Another quick little video on the touchscreen option on the Bandscope. This is a handy feature whereby once you see a signal on the scope, we'll just wait for something decent to pop up. We press that, and press it here, the radio will tune to that frequency. So let's do it again. Now it mightn't hit it spot on, it depends on how fat your fingers are. So we'll go again. And again. It's just a handy little feature for picking things out fairly quickly. So another little tip for the 7300. If you've had it for a while or you've just got one, that's the idea of these videos. So there you go, 7.3, and thanks for watching. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar, 7.3, bye bye.